But guys, this is the modeling when your relationship is given 2 points, step-by-step example. And the information is once the tire was filled. Okay, fill this right rear tire. Also, yes, I know my battery is low. Next time check, 8 days later, he had originally filled tire. Tire pressure measured 16 psi. I'm assuming days. Yes, I'm correct. 25, 12, as we're adding 8. Nope, I guess it is 8. And 16. Pretty simple stuff. So this array which the tire pressure changes for every change in the time since the tire was filled. You can calculate so using the given values. Tire pressure changes from 24 to 16 psi when the time was that. Since the tire was filled, the changes from 4 to 8 days. Okay, that. Okay, don't do what I just did there. Oh well. That's it. The array which tire pressure changes for every change in the time since the tire was filled is 16 minus 24 divided by 8 minus 4 psi a day. That's equivalent to 8 over 4 psi a day, which can be written as -2. So I guess you do it like this and do negative. Okay. I'm thirsty. I'll be right back. My thirst has been quenched. I'll complete that step for us, and we get this out of the way. Have the same bot. I love it. It actually tells us, and then gives us the stuff, so. Come on. Yeah, there you go. 32. Times since the tire was still an independent quality based from question to question. Therefore, you can represent a variable. First number keys wherever you want. I usually choose the first letter, so we'll use D. You also can't use stuff like Y, E, I, or L, and O. There's a few you can't use because they conflict with things, so keep that in mind. It'll yell at you, though. It'll give you another chance. Tire pressure is the tire pressure after Antonio filled it for 2 plus the tire pressure that lost each day, and I have 2 psi. Times 25. Oh, I'm doing a on the step-by-step example. No. 32 plus -2d, since that's the day part, times since the tire was filled. Alright, so probably -2 there. Times d. Okay, it is times d. And I see formats like that. So this is 10 here. It'll do this all for us. In fact, it'll do literally everything for us again. I guess that's how you solve it. So in the box out the way there. And then you can look at this, but anyways, it is 11. How's my battery going? Actually, it's got pretty good. I forgot to charge last night. Alright, let's see here. If he does not put any air in the tire, when will the tire be completely flat? Well, then, that'd be 0. Obviously. 0 is nothing. He'll put that in for us, and we get the answer of 16. So, put that in our box. It lets me type. And that is it. The end.